Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use glider Lego Fortnite. Start by gathering all glider parts and checking for missing clips and hinges before you build. Assemble on a flat surface with good lighting and separate small pieces into trays to avoid loss. I will guide you through step-by-step mounting, balancing techniques, and simple repairs so your glider flies smoothly and looks authentic in display or play. Begin with the main wings and secure both sides using the recommended clip points while keeping symmetry. Add the cockpit and struts, checking alignment to prevent nose-heavy or tail-heavy imbalance. Use small reinforcing plates on hinge areas to reduce stress and improve durability for repeated launches. I will explain how to add visual details and custom stickers so your glider matches Fortnite themes while still being robust enough for play and display. Perform gentle glide tests indoors first to observe pitch, roll, and yaw tendencies before taking it outside. Shift small weights like 1x1 plates forward or backward, one stud at a time to correct nose or tail dive. Make tiny trims to wing edges to adjust lift and reduce roll, and always make incremental changes, then retest. I will cover launch techniques and safe landing strategies so your glider stays intact and fun to use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.